Do you want to hear something insane? Over 42% of adults in the USA are struggling with obesity, and the numbers are rising rapidly. But luckily, there is a simple yet often overlooked practice that has been used for centuries that holds the solution to the obesity epidemic. In this video, I'm going to reveal what this powerful solution is, and more importantly, how it can transform your mind and body without having to sacrifice the foods you love. Welcome back to VEGANFAST, where today we are diving into the mysterious and powerful world of intermittent fasting. Imagine sharpening your focus to a razor's edge. Picture mental clarity that feels like a fork lifting, revealing a bright new day. Imagine your body initiating cellular repair processes and changing hormone levels to make stored body fat more accessible. And your brain experiencing a surge in the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. What would you have to do for your body to deliver these benefits? You have to fast, and fast intermittently. And now back to BDNF. What is BDNF? I'm glad you asked. It's a protein that supports the survival of existing neurons and encourages the growth of new ones. Think of BDNF as the miracle growth for your brain. Higher levels of BDNF are linked to increased cognitive abilities, improved mood, and even resistance to mental illnesses. Today, we are diving into the world of intermittent fasting, a wellness trend that has been gaining popularity for its numerous health benefits. It's not just about weight loss. It's a lifestyle that can transform how you feel inside and out. Are you ready to embark on a journey that will transform how you feel inside and out? Imagine your body as a well-tuned machine, suddenly thrown off its rhythm. It screams for the usual fuel, and you have to muster all your strength to resist. Can you guess what is going on? Your body is used to regular meals, and when you start fasting, it sends powerful signals demanding food. These cravings can feel overwhelming and almost like a battle between your mind and your body. Therefore, the first and most common challenge is overcoming hunger cravings. Sometimes I have trouble differentiating between hunger and cravings. Have you ever experienced that? There are times when I think I'm hungry, when it is just a craving. Around bedtime, there are times when I think I'm hungry, but really, I'm just tired. There are days when I just went to bed and ignored the hunger, woke up the next day and still had enough energy to go to the gym. I ate the next day in the afternoon. Now, if I was really hungry, where did that energy come from overnight? Think about it. If I was really hungry, where did the energy come from? Our bodies are really built for fasting, if only we can realize it and take full advantage of it. Now, another thing. How much water do you drink in a day? Before I started water fasting and the raw vegan lifestyle, I didn't pay that much attention to how much water I drank in a day. I'm sure many of you are in the same situation. But now I do. And it has made a huge difference. Sometimes the body confuses between thirst and hunger. Therefore, be sure to hydrate yourself well during intermittent fasting. But wait. But hunger cravings aren't the only obstacle. Adjusting to a new eating schedule can be an equally daunting task. Your body's internal clock or circadian rhythm dictates when you feel hungry and when you feel full. Breaking free from this rhythm is like resetting your internal clock. It takes time, patience, and perseverance. Imagine moments of doubt, times when giving up seems easier than pushing through. Imagine the fear of missing out on social events, the worry that you might not be able to stick to the plan. Talking about missing out on social events, social gatherings often revolve around what? Food, you guessed it. This can be a huge challenge for those trying to stick to an intermittent fasting schedule. Around this time in the USA, many African immigrants usually have conventions. I know it because I'm a member of the Nsot tribe, one of the tribes here from Africa. And our people are having a historic convention in Dallas, Texas. I know it because of the build-up I see on social media. Food is a central event in these conventions. People are very excited, not just to meet each other after a very long time, but also to what? To share and enjoy their traditional tribal dishes. Things like fufu corn, vegetable, jollof rice, achu, things like that. There are many dishes out there from Africa. Now, think about it. Can you imagine going to one of these conventions and saying you are a raw vegan and can't eat any of what is on the menu? Imagine the social pressure that will be on you. How are people going to look at you? Are you from another planet or what? You guessed it right. The second challenge you will face is mental. But remember, every great journey starts with a single step, and every challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger. Just like in the Kelly Clarkson song, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Now keep watching, because we have a huge revelation that very few dare to try, that will totally transform your body, especially those dealing with obesity. Now, imagine your body as a finely tuned machine, only fueling up during designated times. Right. 16 hours of fasting followed by 8-hour eating window. Sounds simple, right? Imagine dramatic improvements in insulin sensitivity and fat loss. What if your body could optimize energy use, leading to more efficient weight management? Say hello to the 16-8 method of intermittent fasting. How would you feel if you could lose weight and trigger autophagy, your body's natural process of cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating new ones? What if I told you to eat regularly for 5 days and then consume only about, say, 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days? Enter the 5-2 method. Would you like to try it and see what happens? Now, here's the revelation you've been waiting for. A combination method that few dare to try, but those who do swear by its transformative effects. Imagine combining the 16-8 method with the 24-hour fast, with the periodic 24-hour fast, creating a hybrid approach that maximizes benefits. This hybrid method harnesses the best of both worlds, the consistency of the 16-8 method and the deep cellular cleansing of the 24-hour fast. It's a powerful tool for those who seek to push the limits and achieve peak potential. Now, have you ever felt like there's a hidden key inside you, a secret waiting to be unlocked? Keep watching. By the end of this video, you will find out for yourself. Now, our bodies are like intricate puzzles, each piece playing a crucial role in our health. But there is one key moment, a turning point where everything changes, the state where your body switches from burning glucose for energy to burning fat. It's a metabolic shift that can lead to significant weight loss and improved energy levels. Think of your body as a puzzle with pieces representing different nutrients. When you fast, your glucose reserves are depleted, forcing your body to find alternative fuel sources. This is where the magic happens. your body begins to break down stored fat into molecules called ketones, which are used for energy. This process is called, are you ready? Drum roll, drum roll. Ketosis. It is like unlocking a hidden chamber within your metabolism. But reaching this state requires patience and perseverance. It's not just about skipping meals. It's about understanding your body's rhythm and knowing where the pieces fit together. Now, typically it takes about 24 to 72 hours of fasting to enter ketosis. This is when your body's glycogen stores are depleted and the switch is flipped. And here's the twist. Not everyone experiences ketosis the same way. Some people feel a surge of energy, while others might feel a sense of mental clarity. It's a unique journey for each individual, but the end result is a healthier and more efficient body. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for. I know you've been waiting. Now here you go. Now, inside this box lies the final piece of the puzzle. Are you ready for the ultimate revelation? The true power of ketosis isn't just in the fat burning, but in the transformation it brings to your entire being. An increased energy, an improved mental clarity, and a renewed sense of vitality. It's a complete metamorphosis. So, are you ready to solve the puzzle of your own body? To unlock the secret of ketosis and transform your life? We have seen that intermittent fasting offers a wide range of benefits, including weight loss, improved metabolism, and potential longevity. But all this means nothing unless you learn from someone who actually did it. I highly recommend watching this playlist to learn from my personal experience of a 5-day water fast at Tanglewood Wellness Center in the jungles of Costa Rica. Thank you for watching.